You make an epic video with magical B-roll and background music to create that emotion and impact for your audience. You're super happy with your work and you post it on YouTube. You see your video getting traction and then boom, you have a copyright claim. You watch YouTube videos all the time with similar background music and think, how are they not getting copyright claims? Stick around and I will help you avoid this with copyright, royalty-free music options for your YouTube videos. Hi everyone, I'm Ryan and this is the Elevate Project. We're talking about copyright-free, royalty-free music for your YouTube videos. I've done videos with background music and sound effects to increase engagement and create an impact. And yes, I have been hit with copyright claims on my videos and thought, what is going on? So digging deeper, there are a few options to explore. One, if you really like a song or you really like a particular background music, then you know is popular, maybe it's a top 40 track or music from your favorite artist, you can try your best to reach out and get their permission. That can be really tough if you are cold calling and have no relationship with that said artist or music studio. Might be easier if you know the person or you know the band, or if they are a smaller band or a local artist. For most, it will be easier to change the music and find copyright, royalty-free music. First, think about the videos you are creating and whether they are only going to be used on YouTube. If so, there is a ton of music and sound effects in your YouTube studio. In your YouTube studio, you can go to Audio Library and you can download music or sound effects and use them without issue on YouTube. Obviously, if you are going to be posting your videos outside of YouTube, you are most likely not going to be protected by the current state of the license in the way it was meant to be used. Another solution is signing up for royalty-free music like Uppbeat. There is a large library of music and sound effects. Disclaimer, this particular video is not sponsored and there are other companies offering the same service. This just happens to be the one I use for all my videos. I started using Uppbeat last year and worked out great. But the free version only provides you with 3 music downloads a month and only access to 30% of their overall catalog. Because I started uploading various videos more regularly, I ended up upgrading to the premium version and highly recommend it. Especially if you are realizing YouTube is something you want to do consistently and long term, I do have a referral link below to try Uppbeat. And again, to start, it is completely free. I even have music I download and use just as background music as I work to keep me focused and create a certain ambiance working for long periods of time from home. Having music, background sound, and sound effects can really help elevate your videos to capture an emotion and impact. Not having to worry about copyright claims helps you to just focus on the content you are creating. Found value in this video, you know what to do. It helps support the channel. And if you like the content like this one, watch these videos over here. Be safe, stay awesome, and I'll catch you in the next video.